How to block users on BlueSky. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To block users on BlueSky, it is very simple. Firstly, launch a BlueSky application in your device. Over here, make sure you are logged into your BlueSky account. Also ensure that your BlueSky is up to date. Now once you are in here, firstly go ahead and check out the user that you wish to block. Then tap on the user once again. Click on the three dot icon in their profile. Here you will see block account, just click on block account. Then select on block once again for confirmation. And right there you will see that the user has been blocked in your BlueSky. This is how you can easily block the user. If you wish to unblock the user, just click on the three horizontal line at the top. From here, click on the settings option. Once you are in here, you will see the option of moderation, tap on it. So over here, you will see blocked account that you can click on. If you wish to unblock the user, just tap on it, then select on unblock. Then again, for confirmation, click on unblock. So this is how you can block and unblock users on BlueSky. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for this.